Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to meet someone special. We have been in the room for a long time and after the lockdown this is the first day we are going out. So please join in our journey. After riding for 10 minutes from the main town, we are turning onto the right side towards our destination. So this area is known as Kumara. Here we have arrived very quickly. So this is the location as you can see beautiful lake. Today or not. Usually there are lots of birds, but I don't know this time of the year whether we will get to see or not. Let's go and check. Last time there were lots of birds. All the homes are getting destroyed, maybe because of that or maybe because of the change of season. Those wild birds cannot be seen today. Yes, I can see few of them now. It's so beautiful. Those are all wild birds. Varieties of birds, but today we saw very few. Come on, beautiful birds, gather around my camera. Phát truy tum cái vàng hột xịt đồ bị ăn đi con gà vịt đẹp luôn season cái libon non chú cái ăn cái làng mình nhìn cái rong bị nhìn cái rong ở đây luôn. I have collected few smooth stones from here. Hello guys, we are ending the vlogging today. We are supposed to show you lots of birds in a bird sanctuary today, in SATJAN or SATJAN, but maybe it's a wrong time of the year, so we did not find lots of birds, but at least we found few, which is very far away from the road. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for supporting. Please do like, share, subscribe, comment, and also press the bell icon to get a new notification, so that we'll see you in the next vlog.